Hi, we are from Delade and welcome to the demo of our flagship product Martzo, which is an online order management SaaS solution for supermarkets. Today, the traditional supermarkets who doesn't have an online presence get lot of home delivery requests from customers. These orders usually comes via WhatsApp, phone call, or in-store request where the customer comes to the store, purchases the item, and requests the item to be home delivered on a preferred time. On an average, these stores fulfill around 100 orders in a day, and these are managed by having their own in-house delivery staff. Earlier, they used to track these orders manually, which caused them a lot of problems. These problems include losing track of payments, delayed orders, missing items, and then due to lack of data insights, they couldn't really improve the delivery process. This is where Martzo as a solution comes in. Martzo comes with a suite of applications for end-to-end order tracking. When a supermarket receives an order request from a customer, he creates an order on the admin dashboard for tracking. The supervisor looks at the order, picks up the item, create an invoice, and then keep it packed for and ready for delivery. When a delivery agent is free, it gets assigned to the delivery agent for delivery. At the end, he can also use the admin dashboard for reporting. So this is the overall order flow. Now I'll show this order flow using the actual app. Now, for the sake of demo, I'll use a simple scenario where admin himself creates the order, packs the order, and assign it for delivery, and then the delivery agent delivers the order. Let's assume the admin gets a home delivery request via WhatsApp. He identifies the item, picks up the item from the WhatsApp message, and then invoices in the invoicing application, and then keeps it ready for delivery. So for tracking, he will enter the customer number onto the dashboard, enter the bill details, enter the invoice number, sets the payment status whether it is paid or cash on delivery. So I'll set it as cash on delivery in this case. And let's assume the customer requested for 2 water cans to be delivered. I will also mark that and then save the order. Now the items are packed and the water can is not packed yet, so it will be picked up by the delivery agent. Now we have a lot of features in the app which helps them to improve their timing process. We have features like timings, which helps them to track what is the time it taking from creating to packing, what is the time taken from packing to delivery, and then so that they can improve the delivery time. We also have features like top customer where they could identify their preferred customers and serve them better. Now let's assume the delivery agent is free for delivery. The admin will assign the order for delivery to him. The delivery agent gets a notification on his app. He can look at the bill number and then pick the packed item for delivery. He'll also see that there are 2 water can requests in the same order. So he'll also go and pick up the water can. And then using the address detail where the location is already there, he can navigate to the customer address. Once he reaches the customer address, he'll mark the order as delivered. He will collect the payment on the preferred payment method from the customer and mark it here. Now the order is delivered successfully. Now the admin gets notified that the order has been delivered by the agent and it was delivered by in this payment mode. Likewise, he can process all the orders, and at the end of the day, he can use the reporting tab to see the overall summary of the delivery. Like one of the most important activities is to reconcile the payment. So he can look at various payment modes, cash, and then tally all the cash payments. He can verify if all the payments were received in that payment mode. He can also look at the ratings and feedbacks to see if there are any feedback. And if there were bad feedback, he can take actions on them so that he can fix from the next day. You can also look at the overall summary, overall statistics of the delivery process. See how much time it took see the average delivery timings. look at how much payments are pending for the day, etc., etc. So all these features helps them to streamline their delivery process in one dashboard, and then they can improve their delivery business and then grow. So this is the demo of the Martzo. Thank you for listening.